guys, welcome back to another video. So today I honestly have to fold 2 baskets of laundry. Am I doing that? I'm not really sure yet. I do really need to put it away though. It's just been sitting there for like 2 days already. But my mom just took my daughter outside for a little bit of a walk and some fresh air. It is nice outside. It is, I believe, either 60. Alexa, what's the weather? It's 64 degrees right now, which is summer to us. So yeah, tomorrow's actually supposed to be 79, which is crazy. We're actually probably gonna have a cookout tomorrow, so I'll probably film that. I'm not 100% sure. I do need to film a video for Petunia, and a reel, and then I think I might do a bread reel today as well. You might already seen both of those already, but yeah, today is kind of little impactful day, I guess you could say. No, full. I don't know. I don't even know how to say that. But I've been doing a very nice, simple makeup. I did film kind of a reel of the look. And I do close surveys for influencer all the time. I normally don't get anything though, but I actually got some elf stuff. I wish it was a new glass, but it wasn't. But I actually got the Instant Lift waterproof brow pencil, so I'm excited to try this out. I did get. I remember picking. Yeah, I picked Auburn. So it's gonna be like more when I actually freshly color my hair. I know I need to color my hair. I actually just bought the hair dye. So it should be here very soon. And I just noticed my mic's over here, so hopefully you guys could even hear me. And then I also got this elf H2O proof ink well eyeliner, so I'm excited for this. Also, kind of wish I would have picked brown though, because I've been wanting to go for a little bit more of a natural, not dramatic look, but it's okay. All right, to fold closer to go outside and film my reel. I think I might just go outside and film my reel. I just prefer to get that stuff out of the way. And then I am gonna make dinner today for you guys, and you can see that as well. Yeah, that's kind of it. I do have her little basket that I need to take outside for her summer stuff. This week is supposed to be pretty hot out. So I'm kind of really hoping to kind of organize the yard so that she can be able to play and have fun out there. Yeah, let me go ahead and decide what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I ended up taking some pictures and some videos for the reels. I hope they come out nice. It is so hard because I don't like showing myself really in my videos, but I do feel like it adds a little bit of a, I guess, real life. But yeah, so I did film a little bit. My mom actually went to get some Chinese food with my munchkin. I might actually just walk over there too, because she's hungry already. I'm like, all right, mom. So I guess I'm not cooking dinner with you guys. But that's okay. There's always tomorrow, which I think we are gonna have a cookout, so that works out. Let me go see if my munchkin is coming back yet. I'm still tired now. I got flow, and flow makes me drained. Warming up the rice right now, and the orange chicken and the beef and broccoli. My husband. Guys, show you the orange chicken, beef and broccoli. My daughter loves the broccoli, which is why we have so much in there. And then again, rice. It does come with white rice, but we never eat it. So my toddler had a lot of emotions, and I basically stopped filming. I'm actually about to just show you guys. I'm gonna make my husband's lunch for tomorrow for work, and his coffee. Since he is now having the bread I make, I don't refrigerate the bread I make. So I used to make the sandwiches and just put it in the fridge. Now I am putting the bread and everything he uses for the sandwiches in a little thing like this, like the ham and cheese, and the mayo separately, just so that the bread doesn't get hard in the fridge, and it'll be more of a fresh sandwich. So let's go ahead and do that. So before I actually started making his lunch, they both asked for a snack. So I just cut up an apple, and they're going to have it with granola and yogurt as a snack. All right, and now I am grinding the granola. I actually prefer grinded when I do make apples with yogurt and granola. This is just preference, but I do love this granola from Costco, so I am just kind of crushing it. You could do it with the bag. I just prefer to do it this way for being lazy, basically. All right, so let's go ahead and make my husband's lunch. I'm gonna go ahead and put the bread in the little bluey thing that I got at Dollar Tree. And then the other bluey thing, I'm going to go ahead and put the ham and cheese and salami that's going to go inside his sandwich. And then I'm going to put in a little container mayo. That is his, I guess, choice. That's what he prefers to have with his sandwiches. So I put in a little container so that he can do it himself. My daughter's snack stuff came in handy for my husband's lunch. Water and an extra water. I didn't show, but I did give him a really big thing of water. He gets dehydrated easily, so he needs to have water on hand so he can stay hydrated. And here I am washing all the dishes and getting everything nice and clean. You guys know I don't like my sink to be full of dishes at the end of the night. And yes, I did end up washing the plate and the spoon that my daughter and my husband were eating out of with apples and yogurt. Look, guys, look at me. I'm using gloves. And then at the end of the night, I always do coffee. I do prefer cold coffee, and so does my husband. And we like the Colombiana Cafe Bustelo. This is just the one we prefer. This in here. I actually need to clean all of this. I haven't in a little while, so I really need to clean it. Let me get another water bottle for the machine. I personally love the sound of coffee brewing, so I'm gonna go ahead and insert a little bit of a SMR here. All right, guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy spending the day with me. If you are still here, please don't forget to leave this emoji down below. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every like, every comment, and every single subscriber. And again, thank you guys so much for being here with me today. I'm about to go get that little one ready for bed. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.